I'm Binaya Pradhan. I'm Consul General of India based out of New York City.
What do you believe is the biggest challenge facing emerging markets today? How can students and recent graduates contribute to advancing the developing economies, and in particular India?
Okay, I'll be talking about India. So the biggest challenge today in India would be two sets of challenges, I would rather say. One are issues which are external to us, like issue of climate change, issue of energy transition, issue of where we are an active player, but it's not totally controlled by us. For example, climate change, we are an active player. We have our own plan for going net zero. Our energy transition plans are in place, and we are ahead of the targets that are being set for ourselves. But then it's not entirely controlled by us. Same goes for energy transition technologies. Now, those technologies, are pretty much expensive, and before this, I was posted in Africa, and there also I saw the same thing, that people in developing world or the least developed world, they are quite willing to contribute to the issue of energy transition, issue of climate change, but then it's unaffordably expensive for them. So that those are primarily the challenges. Coming to your question about how the students or the graduate students can contribute, I'll tell the story that is unfolding in India. You might be familiar with the story of Indian Institute of Technology, IITs. Earlier, 80% of IIT students would come to United States or to the developed world for a job. Now they are going into the world of startups. They are becoming entrepreneurs. So that's a new culture that is coming up in India, and I'm sure that is all happening in other emerging economies, other developing countries. So my message to the graduate students here would be to try the developing markets, try the emerging markets. I would say you would have much better opportunities there, much better opportunities to make it big in the emerging markets than you would probably do it in the developed markets.